Hi everybody, Billy here with Tradewinds Travel, back with a new video series. As passionate travelers, we thoroughly enjoy dining out on our journeys. Oftentimes we'll come across dishes that are so good that we're inspired to recreate them when we get home. A simple way to do this is just to ask for the recipe. The server most of the times will give it to you. Sometimes they won't, but the worst they can do is just say no. Sometimes even restaurants will have cookbooks available at checkout, and you can get all of their signature dishes there. Recently, we were in Kansas City, Missouri, and we had the pleasure of dining at Jack Stack BBQ, and we fell in love with their cheesy corn side dish. We asked for the recipe, and they gave it to us. So in this video, we'll guide you through recreating this delicious corn dish in your own kitchen. Jack Stack BBQ, a Kansas City institution since 1957, is renowned for its exceptional smoked meats and inviting atmosphere. The menu boasts perfectly cooked brisket, ribs, and pulled pork, all seasoned to perfection. Beyond the meats, diverse sides and appetizers contribute to a well-rounded dining experience. With a welcoming ambiance and friendly staff, Jack Stack is a go-to spot for delicious Kansas City barbecue, offering a memorable and mouth-watering culinary adventure. Before we get started, kindly give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated on more mouth-watering dishes. For this recipe, gather 2 tablespoons of butter, 4 teaspoons of flour, 1/8 of a teaspoon of garlic powder, 3/4 cup of milk, 4 ounces of cubed cream cheese, that's half a block, 6 ounces of grated sharp cheddar cheese, 3 10-ounce bags of frozen corn, and 1/4 pound of diced smoked ham. If ham is not available, bacon makes a great substitute. Begin by melting the butter in a large pot. Add in the flour and stir until combined without browning. Incorporate the garlic powder once the butter and flour are mixed together. Gradually pour in warmed milk, stirring until the mixture is smooth and free of lumps. Remove the pot from the heat and add the creamed cube cheese, stirring until mostly melted. Feel free to use your impeccably clean hands. Then add the cheddar cheese and stir until fully melted. If needed, return the pot to low heat. Add in the corn and ham or bacon and mix it thoroughly. When you add in the cold corn, the mixture will stiffen up slightly, so you will have to put some elbow grease into stirring. Transfer the mixture to a 2-quart casserole dish and bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 40 to 45 minutes. Okay, it's been about 40 minutes, so I checked it at 35 and let it cook about 5 more, so it really didn't need to go quite the full 45. But anyway, so here it is. It looks really good, and see how creamy it is. And so now let's take a bite and see. It's probably still too hot, but wonderful. Great. So this is the Jack Stack corn. The recipe you'll find listed below. And I'll also give you the information for the Jack Stack restaurants. They're very good. When you're in Kansas City, you need to try them out. And if you would, please take the time to like this video and subscribe and to ring the bell so you can be notified when we have some more videos coming up, which we will soon. So until then, happy traveling.